So in the next set of problems, it'll say, put an equation in standard form. And the thing is, you know what the standard form is because you just had 4 examples of the standard form in the first 2 problems. And it says which is which, right? And these don't make you guess which one you're looking for. So you should know. This one will say, put it in the standard form of an ellipse, because that's an ellipse, right? So if you're not sure exactly what that means, then go back here to the ellipse and look at the equation to familiarize yourself, okay? That's the one plus, 2 different denominators, one's bigger than the other, one on the right-hand side, you know what I mean? What process do we have to go through to put it into the standard form? Complete the square, right? In this case, we've got to do it twice because both x squared and the x's and the y's have linear terms. So this is completing the square. Get the x's together. Get the y's together. Right, move the constant to the other side. Okay, remember, you cannot complete the square if you've got a number other than 1 in front of a squared term. So what do you do with that 2? Take a 2 out of these 2 terms, right? So it looks like 2 times x squared minus 6x. Okay, y squared plus 6y. Right? Remember, we're not factoring those 2 terms. We're just taking the 2 out. Because a lot of times you'll see that you've actually factored out the greatest common factor, which is 2x. And we don't want to do that. We just want to take the 2. How do I figure what number I add here to complete the square? Divide negative 6 by 2, which is negative 3, and you square it, and you get 9 plus 9. Right? That was negative 6 over 2 squared. Okay, what do I add to the other side to make up for putting a 9 there? 18, right? Because 2 times 9 is 18. That means we go plus 18. Okay, how about the y? What do I add? Another 9, right? Half of positive 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. And I add 9. Okay. So this is 2 times x minus 3 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 32. Add them up. So if you're not sure about this, I mean, what you have in the parentheses there, it might be just simply factorable. You could just say what 2 numbers the product is 9, the sum is negative 6, and get negative 3. But it's always the half of the middle term, right? It was half of negative 6 was negative 3. That's why it's there. Right? Half of 6 is 3. That's why it's there. Okay, and then last step, because this is still not in standard form. Yeah, divide every term by 32. Both sides, every term by 32. So we have, okay, 2 goes into 32 16 times, so that's x minus 3 squared over 16 plus y plus 3 squared over 32 equals 1. And that's all you're asked to do. Put it in the standard form. You don't have to graph it or anything.